ऑल राइट नमस्ते क्रांति, आपका बेहद स्वागत है हमारे इस एपिसोड पे, क्रांतिकारी एपिसोड पे, जिसे हम बोलते हैं सुरक्षित ऑफिस वापसी। थैंक यू फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम क्रांति।
Thank you so much, Diksha. It was a pleasure and to talk to you, especially, and in this forum to voice out my views, opinion, or suggestions. So it is really wonderful. I'm feeling very good about it.
Thank you so much, Kranti, and I'm surely very happy that you are an inspiration. You're doing a lot. Hence the reason we thought like, चलो एक आवाज बनते, एक देश की एक आवाज बनना जरूरी है, right? So वो काफी महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है कि आप जैसे लीडर से हम लोग सुने और परिचित हो सके कि अभी हम किस हालात में और कैसे हम ऑफिस वापसी कर सकते हैं. So all right, Kranti, moving to the first question, what do you think as a leader is the current situation happening? तो आज की जो situation हम बात करते हैं, second wave, COVID, अभी की क्या हालात है, आपके नजरिए में क्या है? So over to you, Kranti.
Thank you, Diksha, for this question. So, well, in my opinion, you know what, more than anything else, the emotions has taken a big toll. The emotion graph of anybody per se, any individual per se, has taken a paradigm shift. So when we were stuck in the first wave, so when we was hit by the first wave, so it was all the entire concept altogether was changing. We were immediately into a lockdown phase, and the economy and everything was shut for a while. And then when we were trying to revive, we were again stuck with the second wave, you know. So all this while, this over this last couple of months per se, so we were uh, just trying to survive. First wave was not that much effective. However, the second wave was drastic per se. Whosoever were affected a lot, they had a different kind of emotion, and whosoever not are also part of that passive emotion. So emotion, I would say, the fear and panic around. So Supreme Court of India has also described, by the way, this panic and fear emotion of people is even more dangerous than the virus itself. Imagine. So because of that emotion that we are having or we are facing right now, so that has put everything into a standstill mode, and it has affected the overall personal, professional, social, economic, every angle of an individual. So the current situation is going to go for a longer time, because the virus is not for a short while. It's going to stay with us for couple of years from now. That's what is being evidented. So in my opinion, yes, of course, the emotion graph is a big time, big hit for all of us.
Well said, Kranti. दो पॉइंट मुझे काफी अच्छे लगे when you said कोविड से ज्यादा तो हम लोगों ने हाइप कर दिया था, हाई तो वो मचा दी थी कि क्या होगा, राइट? एंड ज्यादातर उस सिचुएशन में था, मैं वैक्सीनेशन लगाऊं नहीं लगाऊं, अरे यार लोग मर रहे हैं वैक्सीन, तो लॉट ऑफ एप्रीहेंशन इज गोइंग ऑन. शायद वो पैनिक सिचुएशन ज्यादा था, कोविड तो है ही. सो वंडरफुल सेड क्रांति, आई लव दैट. एंड सेकेंड, आपने बताया कि जहां पे सब लोग इकट्ठा काम कर रहे हैं, वेयर एवरीबडी आर कमिंग बैक एंड वर्किंग टुगेदर, तो वो पैनिक सिचुएशन से हमें उभरने की काफी जरूरत है. So that's more important what you said. Wonderful, Kranti. चलिए नेक्स्ट प्रश्न की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. ये केबीसी नहीं है. पर नेक्स्ट प्रश्न की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, which is किस प्रकार की पॉलिसी, तो आप जिस इंडस्ट्री से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो आप एज अ लीडर क्या हम लोग को और दर्शकों को बताएंगे कि किस प्रकार की पॉलिसी और प्रोसीजर यूज करना चाहिए? अब इस व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, से फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज अ पर्सन एक्स एंड देयर इज अ पर्सन वाई. वन पर्सन इज ट्वाइस गॉट द 2 doses, but एक बंदे को कोई भी डोज नहीं है या एक डोज है. तो ना लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम कि मेरे घर में बच्चे हैं, मैं वैक्सीनेट हूँ, एक डोज लगा है नहीं लगा है, तो लॉट ऑफ एप्रीहेंशन. तो यहाँ पे किस प्रकार की पॉलिसी और प्रोसीजर्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल ले और एज अ इंडिविजुअल भी हम सोचे? ओवर टू यू क्रांति, व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन इट?
Well, Diksha, for this kind of situation, I believe that we need to go for a hybrid model wherein, we also have to accommodate work from home as well as work from office. So we have to be very open and inclusive in our mindset towards the employees, because when it is considered the emotion, the panic, and obviously taking into consideration the business and the performance and the work. So yeah, we have to accommodate both. So in terms of the policies or strategies, I would say that communications to be floated around among the employees to be very transparent, and then you should keep them abreast with the business upcomings and everything, so that they know and they feel the part of the organization. Second, whether it is vaccinated or not vaccinated, we should always, from our organization, we should try to have a vaccination policy or vaccination strategy in place to take it forward, maybe a kind of workshop or a what do you say, you kind of things that is towards that we can have a vaccination drive per se. Sorry, I was just not able to get that. So vaccination drive. So that can also help the employees to get vaccinated and take this forward. That's one. And second, obviously, whether you're vaccinated or not vaccinated, the protocols, the safety protocols have to be in place. The pandemic protocols have to be in place. We need to see that people, while in office, they are mandatorily having the mask on, having using the sanitizer, cleaning the hands, maintaining the social distances all through. So policies, strictness around has to be in place. And then other strategies like capturing attendance, which should not be like biometric or anything of that sort. It should be GPS enabled, so that people can anywhere can log in and mark their presence. We have to have CCTV cameras on here and there in front, in terms of the infrastructure, so that we can manage the visitors or the security around it. So a couple of things, and policies around the IT, that is the cyber security or IT policy, has to be changed accordingly, so that the risk factor in terms of the usage of data that are being done on a day-to-day basis, that can be captured properly. Also the confidentiality of that data, because people who are working from off home, they can also manage that ways. So it has to be a mix, because we cannot be very vehemently telling them that you need to come to office because that is mandatory or important, but we have to keep their emotions into the inclusion also, that they can also work from home as long as the performance is not being hit. So that's about me.
Sweet Kranti, आपने tools and technologies भी हमें बता दिया with policy and procedures. So it's actually amalgamation of both the questions that I'm going to ask, but that's perfectly answered by you. The articulation was good, where you said that policy should be driven as per the people requirement. जो घर से काम कर रहे हैं वो GPS enable के through कर सकते हैं. We have to place camera at the office so that people can come and they feel safe at the workplace. Plus, the most important thing that you should emphasize, you emphasized on, is the IT security. I think वो सबसे जरूरी है. आज के टाइम में हम बात करते हैं डेटा, बहुत सारा डेटा इधर उधर आ रहा है हमारे सर्वर्स पे. Yeah, right. And then we have firewalls, of course we have, but then there has to be a policy where we talk about privacy at workplace and the other security reasons. So that's very important. Wonderful said, Kranti. Chaliye aage बढ़ते हैं to the next question, because you've already answered two. So let's go directly to the second last question, which is future of work. So Kranti, आप as a leader क्या सोचते हैं? मतलब if I gonna answer this question, there are a lot of apprehension going on. Hybrid हो सकता है, there might be a traditional way, there might be, okay, let's call everybody back to office, full occupancy by November. So you as a leader, what you think is the future of work according to you? So over to you, Kranti.
Well, Diksha, I've already shared my view on this. As I said, that I would always look into a work from home model. In fact, this should be the future of the work. Hybrid model is what we are looking at. And then from because there are different set of employees, right? So people are not people are very having the apprehension around regarding their security, their safety, as well as the performance. So so considering or accommodating everybody on that matter, so we should have this kind of model coming up, which is also in a way also good for the business perspective, because people any which ways work 24/7. The service sector works 24/7, and otherwise also they are available at many times. But considering the collaboration, the teamwork, the motivation, the cultural involvement, employee engagement, and everything, so hybrid model will actually answer to all those problems that are there, or challenges, I would rather say, that are there. So it should be an amalgamation of work from home and work from office, shift job rotation, or shifting of the employees can be done that ways, and work share can also be a model towards it, wherein those people who are coming physically to office can support those who are working from home in terms of any kind of work that requires physical presence in the office. And yeah, I mean, the business operation cost is going to go down because of this hybrid model, which is again a very good thing for the business, because nowadays the economy has been shrinking so far, and it is trying to revive though, but we need to take care of every aspect of it. So from employee perspective, employers perspective, overall business and economy perspective, this is what I would rather suggest like the future would look like.
वेल सेड क्रांति. तो चलिए इसी से दो प्रश्नों के हम चाहेंगे कि आप आंसर दें, विच इज सभी लोगों के लिए, इट्स नॉट मेन और वुमेन, सभी लोगों के लिए घर से काम करने में जैसे हम लोग, जैसे आप और मैं है, ऑफिस जाते हैं तो इट्स लाइक 9 to 5 है या 9 to 6 है, तो एक बंधा बनाया टाइम होता है 9 घंटे या 10 घंटे. पर अभी क्या होता है, कुकर की सीटी बज रही है, बच्चा बुला रहा है, कुछ भी है, व्हाटएवर, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ आई वुड से डिस्ट्रैक्शंस, पर्सनल डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हो जाते हैं, राइट? तो उस नजरिए को अगर हम देखें तो हम लोग कैसे मैनेज करें घर में काम करना. और डेफिनेटली वी आर सोशल एनिमल, वी गोना कम बैक टू ऑफिस आफ्टर अ सर्टेन टाइम, बट राइट नाउ आपके नजरिए में क्या उचित डायरेक्शंस होगा फॉर पीपल हु आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, सो दैट दे कैन मेक श्योर कि उनका टाइम मैनेज अच्छे से हो जाए, कुछ भी चीज कॉम्प्रोमाइज ना हो, बोथ द एंड्स, वर्क एंड होम. ओवर टू यू क्रांति, व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन?
Oh, this is a very difficult question though, but however, I would try to answer this. Work from home is definitely a challenge for any kind of employee per se. It's like a working mother or father or any segment of employee, you can say. But having said that, it all depends on how you manage your time, or how you prioritize your time, and how you get support from your family as well, while working from home. So few things that I would like to say, that need to have a place where you can separately sit, and that should not merge with wherever you are sitting, or your dining room or your living room. So you need to have a small corner at your house which will be dedicated for your work. Their laptop will be there, or table will be there, your all the accessories that are required to work, so that has to be there at that point, that place, so that you can work there. Obviously distractions will be there, the household chores will come back into your mind, the errands will keep coming in. However, you need to prioritize, and you have to tell people and set expectation from your family members during that particular time frame per se, 10 9 to 5, 9 to 6, or 10 to 7, or whatever it is. So beyond that, of course, if things come in, so then your priority should be towards family, because you need to balance your work as well as life. So you've dedicated a particular time slot towards your work, and beyond that you need to dedicate it to the family, giving priority to your family rather than to the work. But you can manage to take the work as well. So that's one, prioritizing, having a place at a dedicated place at your work, at your home, and the family support, of course. So these three things, if that can be taken into consideration, so probably will help work-life balance maintenance as well as work from home little easy, I'm sure.
क्रांति, आई रेजोनेट विथ यू 100% कि आप छोटा ही से ही घर में एक कोना ढूंढ लीजिए जहाँ पे आप बैठ के काम कर सकें. दैट विल योर, बोलते हैं ना, कर्म भूमि हो, तो वो आपकी कर्म भूमि बन जाएगी. यू डोंट हैव टू गो अराउंड. इट्स फाइन, वी अंडरस्टैंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग, बट क्रांति आपने बहुत उम्दा पॉइंट बताया. वंडरफुल क्रांति, अब चलते हैं बिल्कुल ही लास्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ ऑलवेज आवर शो, व्हिच इज अ स्पेशल सेगमेंट, इज लाइक एनी इंस्पिरेशनल मैसेज. क्रांति जी, आप जो लोगों को एकदम क्रांति से भर दे, कि जोश से भर दे. क्यों बोले तो आई टेल यू व्हाई. बिकॉज ये जो हमने 1.5 साल वर्क फ्रॉम होम गुजारा है, वो आपके लिए, मेरे लिए काफी मुश्किल भरा था, और आई एम श्योर लोगों के लिए भी काफी तनाव भरा था. बट यहाँ पे मैं चाहती हूँ आप एज अ लीडर उन सभी को एक उम्दा मैसेज दें, ताकि वो लोग उत्साह से भर जाए और अपने वर्क में क्रांति से काम कर सके. ओवर टू यू क्रांति. जी.
Well, Diksha, yes, I would like to say to all our viewers is be conscious, be aware, and be safe, be inclusive. These are the tough times. However, we need to evolve and emerge ourselves. Be happy and spread a positive attitude around. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच क्रांति, आपने कुछ शब्दों में ही पूरा मोटिवेशनल हमें भर दिया, उत्साह से भर दिया. थैंक यू सो मच. आई अप्रिशिएट. कीप स्माइलिंग एंड कीप इंस्पायरिंग एवरीबॉडी लाइक यू डू ऑलवेज. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. जय हिंद.
Thank you. My pleasure, Diksha. Jai.